Today, we're comparing BonkBot versus NovaBot. Now, we're going to be discussing what's the best trading bot of this year. So, we're going to start with BonkBot. Now, BonkBot is basically really well known, and it does a really good job of just executing transaction times and just overall looking the entire market. And it's a very high frequency trading bot that relies on very aggressive strategies. And it's designed to capitalize and predict future market movements just on all the crypto trading tokens times. And it's really good if you want to take advantage of just like any market conditions, no matter what they are. It can just like do its thing just because it can handle such high risk. So it doesn't matter the time you trade. It's just really good at taking risk and just really good at analyzing data as a whole. But when it comes to NovaBot, basically what this bot is more focused on precision, consistency, and isn't just all around well-rounded as the other bot is. And it's very well built for its trading strategies. Like, it already has specific strategies and risk tolerance, and it's just very good in general when it comes to that. It uses machine learning algorithms to analyze market data, and it's really good at executing trades with a strong focus on risk management so that you don't lose all your money no matter what time you're making these trades on the market. Nova is designed for traders looking for a balanced approach to crypto trading. So if you're looking for high risk, high reward, vulnerability strategy, BonkBot is the one for you. But if you prefer a more steady and less riskful management approach to crypto, you should probably go for NovaBot. Let us know in the comments which one you're going with.